Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jaipur. I'm Maya Sharma, Faculty of Science at SRN International School, Jaipur. Today I will explain you about growing plants of grade 5th. Children, plants form a major part of our environment. We all depend on plants to survive. They help us in many ways. They give us food to eat, medicine to cure, oxygen to breathe, and fiber for clothes. Therefore, plants are called our green friends. We cannot live without plants, so we must grow more and more plants and should take care of them. We know that most plants produce a large number of seeds. These seeds germinate and grow into new plants. New plants can also grow from other parts of plants like stem, roots and leaves. In this chapter, we will learn how new plants grow from seeds and other parts of plants. Children, you know single plants produce many seeds, but all seeds do not grow into new plants because some seeds are eaten by birds, rats, and other animals. Some of them may get destroyed by winds and rain. Some do not get sufficient air, water, or warmth. Now let us discuss about structure of seed. Seeds of different plants are of different shape and size. Children, seed consists of seed coat and seed leaves. Now question arises, what is seed coat? The thick outer covering of the seed is called seed coat. It protects the seed. On the side of the seed, there is a scale. This is the place where seed is attached to the fruit. On the top of scale, there is a tiny hole. This hole allows water to enter inside the seed. Inside the seed coat, fleshy seed leaves or cotyledons are found. Food for the baby plants or embryo is stored in seeds leaves. The baby plants lie between cotyledons. It contains baby root or radicals and baby shoot or pleuole. Cotyledons protect the baby plant. Seed like grams, pea and beans have two cotyledons are called dicot seeds. Seeds like rice, maize and wheat have only one cotyledon and are called monocot seeds. When seeds get enough water, air and sunlight, they grow into new plants. The growth of baby plants or embryo within a seed to form seedling or young plant is called germination. Air helps the germinating seeds to breathe water, soften the seed coat, making it easy for the plant lead to come out. Sunlight provides the warmth for the activity for the cells during germination. In the beginning of germination, the seedling gets its food from the cotyledons. Pores in the soil allow air to reach the seed. The roots come out first and grow downwards into the soil. Later, the shoots come out and grows upward towards sunlight. After using up the food stored in cotyledons, seedlings get water and nutrients from the soil. Newly formed leaves prepare the food for the growing plants, and plants establish itself as an independent plants. So student, that was all about today's topic. I hope you must understood well about growing new plants from seeds. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to get more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.